Do you want to sit with me?
Yeah.
Are we sitting in your dad's lap? What do you want to do? Do you want to learn a song? The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Yay, Daddy!
Clap, 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 clap. Oscar. Oscar doesn't sing. Oscar lives in a trash can. Oscar stinks. Ew. P.U.
She loves Oscar.
Elmo.
Say it again.
You want to sing with Elmo?
Yeah.
Okay. What song do you want to sing?